Welcome to our fitness guide. Today, we're diving into how you can craft an effective workout routine. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds, build muscle, or simply stay fit, these tips are your roadmap to success. Let's jump in. Step 1. Determine your goals. Start by identifying what you want to achieve, be it weight loss, muscle gain, or boosting overall health. Your goals will inform which exercises to include in your routine and the frequency of your training. Step 2. Choose your exercises. Opt for a diverse range of exercises that align with your goals. Incorporate strength training moves like squats, lunges, and push-ups. Don't forget to add cardio activities such as running or cycling for a balanced program. Variety is key to target all muscle groups. Step 3. Create a schedule. Draft a weekly plan that earmarks specific days for working out and adhere to it. Remember to schedule rest days for recovery. Working out every single day isn't ideal. Step 4. Track your progress. Maintain a record of your workouts using a fitness journal or app. Log exercises, reps, and weights. This documentation will help monitor your progress and adjust your routine when necessary. Step 5. Adjust your routine as needed. Modify your exercises based on your progress and feelings. If you hit a plateau or your workout seems too easy, add new challenges or intensity. And that's the blueprint for crafting an effective workout routine. We hope these steps aid you in reaching your fitness goals. Don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and best of luck with your training.